for shells?
Only you and Tyler can see.
Nice.
How is it not cold yet?
Go just do your thing.
Can I wash my hands?
What?
This is so hard. Okay. You're doing great, sweetie.
Okay, you're going to be doing the deaf, mute, and blind, and then somebody's going to be all three of those challenge, and then we have to try to bake a cake. So here are my lovely guests. Let's get started. I'm going to be all three. Is that what we decided?
I'm down.
Okay, and then you're
I'll be deaf.
deaf.
Tyler should be mute.
Tyler should be
Tyler should be
Wait,
mute.
so I feel like I'm blind and you're blind.
Oh god.
I'm going in. I'm gonna go for this.
Okay.
Does my hair look okay? Does that look better? Yes? I don't know what you... Yes. Okay. Tyler?
Okay, here we go.
Somebody read us the wash.
I don't need icing yet, Tyler. We need to find. Okay. I need somebody to preheat the oven to 350 for shiny metal. Wait, no, we're probably using glass. So 325.
Tyler's
325, Tyler.
Tyler's good. What is Berkeley?
Tyler doesn't know how to work an oven. Haley, I need you to get a cup of water.
A cup of
water. Oh wait, I don't know where the measuring cups are. They're probably to your right, actually.
Are they in the drawers or?
Okay, I can't see. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay.
Wait, I think I found
Put something
something.
down.
I need a cup.
Did you find a cup?
A cup?
Help her find a cup.
No, like a measuring cup.
Okay.
A measuring
Okay,
cup.
we need a bowl. A bowl. A bowl.
No. Tyler, where did you go?
Help her find a cup, like a cup measure.
Is it not in here? I thought it was.
I feel like
I feel like
it should be in here.
Okay.
Oh, where's the bowl? Okay, that's the bowl.
I don't know what to do.
Where's the cup measure?
What cup? Tyler, that's not a cup. That's a freaking bowl.
What is she waiting?
Wait, is this the mixing?
Where are they?
Is this the mixing bowl? Tyler, Tyler, where are you? Shake my hand this way for no, and that's yes. Is this for the mix
your
of
cup measures?
cake? Okay,
Your-
I need a
your
I need a
cup
measuring cup.
Measures.
You don't know where that is?
Wait,
Okay.
maybe over here.
Can you help me find it?
No.
Yes.
Because you. Where the? Oh, there they are. Perfect. There's water.
I got it, Anna. I got it.
Okay.
I can do this.
Okay, Tyler, we need a glass pan. Isn't there a glass pan over there? Maybe? It's big. Wait, so now you need to set it to 350.
I hear you listening to Taylor Swift. Where's that mixing bowl? Can
Maybe
I
like. No.
Can you hear that in the beat?
Okay.
Anna, should I?
Wait.
I have the water.
I'll put it in there.
Put it in there.
Nice. Okay, we need a.
First
Now
step.
we need a half cup measure.
I can do half of this. I can.
Oh, we should probably put this in there.
Oh, the box.
Open
mix?
it. Other way.
I don't like it.
We need a half cup of oil.
Right here. Is this a half?
You're making her work.
I can do it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, keep going. Keep
Yeah, tell me
going.
when
Keep
to-
going. You come over here.
I'm scared. I can't see.
Okay,
Did I get it?
there's water.
Tell me when to stop. Is it coming
She
out?
can't hear me. I don't know what to say.
How much more? Good.
Good.
Good. Is it good?
Keep going. Keep going.
I can feel like
nice.
getting heavier.
Nice.
How is it not cold yet?
Tell her when. Okay, now dump it. Nice. Heck yeah. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh crap. Eggs.
Am I still
We need
on
our
our
eggs. Oh, did she throw it in the box? We're good.
Can I mix it?
3 eggs.
You already got them out. Can I crack them? Oh, she can't hear me.
What?
Can I crack?
Oh, we need eggs.
Can I do one?
You're trying to talk to me.
Can I do it?
You do the eggs.
Yes.
You what?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. There's the ball. I'll watch for shells.
You can do one. I just wanted to do one.
Okay, we both do an egg. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay.
I forgot you
Okay.
can see.
This is funny.
Okay, anyways.
What is she doing? Does she have an egg? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, have Berkeley do it. Crack it. Right here.
Nice. Okay, I'm gonna watch for shells.
Only you and Tyler can see.
Nice.
She can't hear me. Okay.
Nice.
I'm sweating. I got the egg.
What's going on in there?
I don't know where it is.
Forwards.
If I mess this up, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Stab it on my hand.
Stir it.
I need to wash my hands.
Stir it. Oh no, not that hard.
Where's the soap? Ain't got no egg guts on me.
Is it stirred? You're doing terrible.
Oh, it's
Okay. But she's having fun.
But is
So it's
she
okay.
stirring? Is she stirring? Oh, she can't. Tyler, is she stirring?
Nice. Nice. Give us like a little like swoop.
I
Give it a
keep
swoop.
trying to talk to Anna. She can't hear.
There you go.
Man, I really hate not being able to see.
Nice. Okay, good. Oh, we need to grease the pan. Oh, here we go. Okay, Kaylee, I need you to spray the pan.
Yes! I wanted to.
Tyler, you hold the pan. Okay, spray it. Spray it.
I do know how big.
Oh, you can stop stirring it.
It got on my
Okay.
sleeve, Tyler.
Okay.
My sleeve is wet.
Pour the cake into the pan. Kaylee,
I got it.
I'm recruiting you.
Yes. I'm coming.
Okay, grab the bowl.
My hands are
Grab
wet.
it. Grab the bowl. And I'm gonna scoop it out.
Scoop it
Okay,
out.
yeah, just pour it towards yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Pour?
Nice.
Like go.
Nice.
I'm scared.
Nice.
Is it spilling?
Okay, keep it there. Hold it steady. Nice. This looks not good.
Poor Berkeley just has no idea what's going on. What is she doing,
Okay,
Tyler?
and now away. Or put it in the sink, I guess.
Are we done?
Why does this look so watery? Why does she have a spatula? Somebody needs to put it in the oven.
Are
Tyler,
your ears okay, Berkeley? Is it good to go in the oven?
350 for like
What's going on over there?
for like 28 minutes.
You got it?
What?
You got it?
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put it in the oven
Okay.
so that you don't put it in the oven.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I'm gonna burn myself.
Nobody walk towards me. Okay.
Why is she? Ah! I'm making sure you don't go.
Okay.
Burn yourself.
Nice team.
High five.
We'll have to debate.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
I wish.
Berkeley stirred that cake for like 18 minutes.
We'll be back to put the icing on the cake.
Bye.
Over your eyeballs.
Bye.
Bye.
What?
She was saying bye. She was
Hey.
saying bye. No, she was saying bye.
Bye.
What is she? Is she a? What is she doing?
I don't
Why
think
does
it's
it
that
sound
hot.
like she was like up at the ceiling?
Ah!
I don't know how to communicate with her. Get Tyler, he can see. Get Tyler, he can see. Get Tyler, he can see.
It's not coming out of the pan.
Go around the edges.
Oh, with the knife?
With a knife, yeah, and then you can like scoop it.
Nice. Okay, good. Nice.
It's just
Tyler, get Berkeley to open the icing. Oh gosh.
Oh no! What did I do?
It's fine.
You're doing great, sweetie.
It's like,
What is that? What am I touching? What am I touching?
Spit on what?
What is that? I have a knife in my hand. I have a knife in my hand. So
It's literally not coming out.
get the knife again.
What do we?
Where's the knife? Get under, like, straight. Is that messing it up? Yes,
I think
or
you're
no?
cutting it.
Do you see what I'm trying to do, though?
Yeah.
Dude,
Were
get
you
a
asking if
spatula.
we were cutting it,
Get
or
a
were you
spatula.
asking if they were doing good?
Doing good or not?
You were not doing good.
Okay. Get a spatula. Get a spatula. Yes. Anna.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
This is so hard. Okay. What are you doing?
Y'all just do your thing. It's literally.
Why does she have
Oh, heck yeah. Okay, it's a little. Okay. We have the icing open. Do we have the icing open? Okay. Wait, Kaylee, you need to ice the cake. Where's your knife? Okay, let me clean up your knife.
Is there not a bigger?
Okay.
Something bigger? Bigger?
What?
Where's her utensils? Like, you know, like where the spatula is?
When you can't talk. She keeps saying bigger, and I don't know what that means.
Like like something that there's like a specific tool that's like easier to scoop out icing and spread on there, right? You know what I'm talking? No!
I don't know what you're talking about.
Can you read my lips?
as rubber spatula?
Yes!
We have one. Oh, it means dirty. Watch this.
Wait, wait, oh, it's on. I'm stupid. I forgot she took it out of the, yeah, I forgot she took it out of the, okay.
What is this flashing?
I hope this is what I'm
There's like a rubber spatula.
Yes!
Yes.
Where's the
Okay.
What? Yeah.
Yeah. What do you need? What do you need? You need Kaylee?
Hold it.
Kaylee's doing good. Kaylee's doing good. Berkeley said you're doing good.
Thank you, Bert.
Nice.
Oh, Tyler!
What do you need? What do you need?
Oh my god, this is bigger than I thought. It's breaking off. Dude, I'm about to cheat. I can't.
Oh, she needs a song? Oh, you're gonna ice. You can't. Okay. Make Berkeley ice the sides of it.
Alright, is that good?
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah. Looks
Alright,
good. It looks beautiful.
It's your turn, sweet girl. Come here. You're.
Yeah. Somehow get her to ice the sides.
Wait, she's thinking that she's just decorating.
Okay. You're just icing the sides. Just the sides. The top's already iced. You can't hear me. I don't know what I'm saying.
Can I wash my hands?
What? What are you doing? Oh gosh. Oh no. Okay. Wait. Pause. Wait. Pause. It looks so.
Good job.
So I'm going to whisper something on Tyler for Berkeley to put in sprinkles on the cake, and he's gonna have to communicate that to Kaylee without talking, and then Kaylee's gonna have to communicate it to Berkeley. Okay? Okay? I don't know what I'm talking about, but okay.
I hate not being able.
Okay. Sprinkle time. It's sprinkle. It's sprinkle time. Sprinkle time, baby. Sprinkle time. Don't listen.
Okay.
Start talking.
I'll just plug my ears.
It's just icing on your face. What are you drawing? We're not there yet. We're not there yet. Okay.
Are you yelling?
Okay, I told Tyler.
Okay.
Hold. Okay. Oh, jeez. I'm not blind, so it's fine.
I'll do it with your hands. Come here with me. The bottom.
Oh. Baby head.
Oh. Don't go, Berkeley.
Come on, Berkeley.
Woo!
You got it. Why there?
She can't hear me. You can't talk to me. Berkeley can't do nothing.
Kaylee's ranting about something.
I can see.
Look at that
Maybe help guide her.
and guide your hand. Okay.
Go help her.
Yeah. Okay.
Tyler, are you helping her?
Oh, that's terrible.
Honestly, just dump it.
Done. Okay. Nice. Yeah. Good. Yeah.
Can I take it off?
That looks nothing like a snowman.
It's so bright.
So here is the cake.
Look at that smile.
And you know,
Those are the two eyes.
if you imagine
Those two unicorns?
this is the face. You know, I kind of can see it actually.
Wow.
Could be better.
What was the worst part? Where'd it go?
The worst part, I kept my brain kept thinking I could hear Kaylee, and then she kept being she was just like. Yeah.
Okay, my worst part was Tyler switched my music. Half
You switched
At
your music?
the beginning, he switched
I
it.
was wondering why you were listening to scream.
I couldn't hear anything, and I tried to tell him change back to what I had originally, but he kept playing Screamo. There were some actually really good songs in there, but I was just so angry.
I thought we were just jamming out to Screamo. So I was gonna make a comment, but I was like, I don't think
What was your worst part?
nobody being able to hear me or communicate back. So I was literally talking to myself the whole time. And I'm screaming. She can't hear me. She can't do anything. You can't talk to me.
Oh no.
Just trying to talk to her.
And he kept coming over and he was like, yes.